This is Jeopardy! Our contestants today: Vicky, a mother from Rancho Cucamonga, whose hobby is brain surgery. Clayton is an astrophysicist from Hoboken, New Jersey. And Devin is a rocket scientist from Kalamazoo, Missouri. Our subject today, the periodic table. And here are our categories: atomic bomb, names and symbols, chart structure, water and ice. And to determine control of the board, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Paper for Clayton, paper for Vicky, scissors for Devin. Devin, you have control of the board. Devin, what would you like?
Atomic bomb for 100.
Atomic bomb for 100. The number located above the element symbol. Devin.
What is the atomic number?
Correct. Devin, you have control of the board.
Atomic bomb for 200.
The number located below the element symbol. Vicky.
What is Abraham Lincoln?
Wrong. Clayton.
What is atomic mass unit?
Correct. For $200. Clayton, you have control of the board.
I choose names and symbols for 100.
This symbol is AU on the periodic table. Clayton.
What is gold?
Correct. For $200. Clayton, you have control of the board. Pick your category.
I choose names and symbols for 200.
Names and symbols for 200. This element was named after Albert Einstein. Devin.
What is Einsteinium?
Correct. Devin, you have control of the board.
I choose names and symbols for 400.
Names and symbols for 400. The element seaborgium was named after this American chemist. Vicky.
Woo! Who is Glenn T. Seaborg?
Correct. For $400. Vicky, you have control of the board.
I choose chart structure for 100.
Chart structures for 100. These elements are stacked in columns. Devin.
What are groups?
What are groups? Correct. For 100. Devin, you have control of the board.
I choose chart structure for 200.
Chart structure for 200. These elements are placed horizontal on the periodic table. Clayton.
What are periods?
What are periods is correct. Clayton, you have control of the board.
I choose chart structure for 400.
Chart structure for 400. These metal elements are located at the bottom of the periodic table. Clayton.
What are rare earth metals?
Rare earth metals is correct. Next category, Clayton.
Chart structure for 600.
The number of these determines each period. Devin.
What are electron shells?
Electron shells is correct. Next category, Devin.
Water and ice for 100.
Water and ice for 100. The only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Devin.
What is mercury?
What is mercury is correct. And the last question in this round. For $200, water and ice. This transition metal is a solid. Symbol CO. Clayton.
What is cobalt?
What is cobalt is correct. And that is the end of our regular Jeopardy session. And now, final Jeopardy. He created the periodic table in 1869. We'll start with Vicky, who had 200. Vicky. He created the periodic table in 1869. What is your answer and wager?
Who is Abe Lincoln for 200?
I'm sorry, that is wrong. Vicky, you are now down to 0.
Darn it.
Let's go to Devin.
Who is Dmitry Mendeleev for 1100?
That is correct. Dmitry Mendeleev. Devin, you are now at $2,200. Clayton, you had $1,100. You will now have to wager all your money and get the correct answer to be tied for grand champion. What is your answer?
Dimitri Mendeley for 1,100.
That is correct. You are both correct, and you are both our Jeopardy grand champions. Thank you for playing Jeopardy.